Jasper AI Boss Mode tutorial, AI content generator. Hi guys, welcome. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on Jasper AI Boss Mode and how to use it. So let's get started. The link for Jasper is given in the description down below. You can go ahead and check it out right now. If you sign up with the link given in the description, you will get 5-day free trial and 10,000 bonus words. So don't wait up and simply sign up for Jasper. Jasper Boss Mode is for long type of content. It is for writing blogs, articles, and even books. Jasper Boss Mode has a lot of different features and tools for us to help us create high quality content within minutes. When it comes to the main features of Jasper Boss Mode, we get documents, templates, recipes, and commands. Documents allow us to create and write any type of document with all of the updated features and tools. Templates are the building block of Jasper, and in Boss Mode, we can avail more than 50 templates on different niches, and they allow us to create content very easily using the keywords. Recipes are the pre-built workflows that we can use on Jasper to write blogs, articles, stories, and more. Let me show you how we run commands on Jasper. So you just write the command you want. I have written write some blog post titles about healthy eating. To run a command, you can just use Ctrl-Enter on your Windows and Command-Enter on your Mac. So you can see I have run the command and now I have different titles. I'm gonna select the first title. Similarly, I can run other commands such as write an introduction about how to make healthy eating work for you, which is my title. And you will place the cursor at the end and just simply hit Ctrl-Enter. Write a blog post outline about how to make healthy eating work for you. Ctrl-Enter, and Jasper will write the content for you. We can also ask Jasper to rephrase our content above if we are not satisfied. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'll just write the command rephrase the above content. And you can see Jasper wrote the same points for me, but this time they are rephrased. We can also ask Jasper to make a list for us. And that's what I'm gonna do by giving command make a list of 10 healthy foods. And there you go, we have our own list. Now I can actually generate paragraphs for each of the different content that I have written. And at the end, we can ask Jasper to write a conclusion for us about our topic. And there you go, we have our own conclusion. So this is how the Jasper commands work, and you can ask Jasper to write anything you want by just giving commands. Jasper Boss Mode makes it easy for us and helps us to write content in minutes. Now let me give you a recipe demo. So you will simply go to recipes when you are using the Boss Mode, and we can use this cold email recipe. Just click on open and then run. And you can see this is our recipe. Product name, product description, write an ADA, and then we have this one right here where we can enter our recipient's name. So all we have to do is just enter our information that we want to add. And this is how the Jasper recipes work, where we get a built-in workflow and we don't even have to do anything. So for product name, I'm gonna write Jasper AI, and for product description, I have just written few of the lines here, and then we have 2 commands that we can run. Write an AIDA for the product above, so I'm gonna go ahead and run this command with Ctrl-Enter on my Windows and Command-Enter with my Mac. Okay, so here we have our attention, interest, desire, and action. Now convert the attention, desire, and action into a cold email to John. So I'm going to run this command with Ctrl-Enter. And there you go, I have my own cold email to John about Jasper AI that I wrote in minutes. All I need to do is just enter my name here and check if there is anything to be, rephrased. If it looks good, then you're good to go and you have your cold email in seconds created with AI Boss Mode on Jasper. I hope this tutorial was also a big help to you guys, and now you know how to use Jasper AI Boss Mode and how you can generate content. This brings us to the end. I hope that I was a big help. The link for Jasper is given in the description down below. Go ahead and check it out right now. You will be able to get a 5-day free trial with the link and also get 10,000 words. Also, watch our other videos on Jasper so that you can learn more. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.